What's going on, everyone? We're gonna be a little tour of our room. Welcome to a new vlog. Let's go. Hi. Welcome to our crib. Alright, let's do a room tour here. First, right here, when you first walk in, the closets. There's the typical safe, pillows, hangers, and to our right is the bathroom. A nice shower. It's pretty roomy. His and her sink and lotion and all that, conditioner. And then here we got a little mini bar. For all the people that drink. They have brandy, they got, what is this? Tequila, vodka, Bacardi, and what else is this? Some coffee maker. We got some Epura. What's in here? Oh, we got some fridge here. We got cold. We do have some sodas in here. Oh, what is this? Oh, Pepsi. We got Canada Dry, some beers, some water. That's something we need because it's kind of hot and humid. And then our bedside table right here. Little drawers. Night lights with, oh nice, a couple of USB ports, or a bed, TV, little desk and couch right here. Same thing on this side with the telephone. On this side we do have our little drawers to put our stuff in, of course. And then service directory, room service stuff. We're probably gonna be using those a lot. If you guys know me, I'm gonna be ordering a lot of food. So, and then on the other side of that, straight ahead, is our bed, not bedroom, I'm sorry, our balcony. Let's go check it out. Let me open this side. Oh, this side. How do you open this? Oh, this is weird. Oh, okay, that's different. So this is our balcony, and this is our view. Got a little sun deck here. That's the ocean. Looks like we got cruise ship out there, and looks like a whole bunch of little boats. Ooh, that's pretty nice out here. Each one has their own swimming pool, personal swimming pool across. And then here is the pool. Looks pretty big. Looks like they have a lot of activities out there. Looks like that part is the bar. That looks like a restaurant of some sorts. And then on the other side of that, more swimming pool. So this will be our ocean right here, ocean view. So a lot of coconuts makes it more tropical. So right now we are gonna go figure out what we're gonna eat because I am starving. Let's go find out. And that is our tour, the tour of our room. So hopefully we can get a nice time lapse right here on this little balcony here, facing that way. The sun will set around that area, so that should set up a nice one. So we'll see what we can get today. Again, thank you for joining us on this home tour. It's gonna be our home for now, temporarily. So hope you guys will join us on the next one. I'll see you guys later.
We're just beautiful creatures, singing loudly on the floor. We could